The Crispin team of Keller Williams Realty Branson, Missouri would like to present to you this property. For more information call 417-335-3109. Here is your opportunity to own a home in the highly desirable Table Rock Lakeside community of Clearwater Acres. This home sits on 2 large lots complete with a bonus 720 square feet garage workshop with air to store your lake toys and recreational vehicles. This Lakeview home boasts beautiful new wood flooring and ceramic tile, open living room with cozy stone fireplace, expansive covered deck with year-round Table Rock lake views, finished lower level with pool table that is included and walk-out access to fenced yard and storage shed, and much more. 1-year HSA home warranty provided by seller. Located in the Hollister School District and just minutes from Big Cedar, top of the Rock and Branson Airport.